When I was little, I didn't like Aivar. What am I saying? I didn't even like peppers. Granny Rada would obviously wake up at dawn on those days, as the mountains of burnt peppers would already lurk around the kitchen when I would get up. At first, I thought that some kind of kitchen catastrophe had happened. So I would run to tell those real grown-ups what Granny had done. But she would stop me with a simple explanation that Peppers just got back from the beach. Later on, when I grew up, old enough to grab a wooden spoon, I was suddenly promoted to Granny's principal Aivar stirrer. Now, when I'm fond of and familiar with Aivar, I can tell you that you need around 2 kilograms of sweet, red-pointed peppers and around 2 kilograms of eggplant for a couple of jars of Aivar, though it can be prepared without eggplant. You also need around 1 cup of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of salt. That's what Granny means when she says, to taste. There are 2 critical moments in Aivar cooking. The first, when Granny gets a sore back while sitting on a footstool and roasting peppers and aubergines on the grill. And the other, when Granny gets sore feet while standing in front of the stove. I mostly get sore arms from hours of stirring, but that doesn't count. Between roasting and cooking, there are less exciting steps. Peeling and mincing in the meat mincing machine. While peppers and eggplant are simmering on a medium heat, Granny adds salt to taste and oil to satisfy it, who knows which sense, perhaps even the 6th. On good years, peppers would be left aside to drain overnight, after roasting and peeling, so the cooking took less time. So how can you even know when the Aivar is done? Well, when the wooden spoon draws a clear line on the bottom of the cooking dish. The only thing left is to pour Aivar into slightly warmed up jars to form a crust. There is no better Aivar than Granny Rada's.